Whoa. Hello. How are you? Still in lockdown? Same. I'm not going to be too energetic in this video because I just woke up from a 2-hour nap in the conservatory in the sun. That was delightful. 2 hours, you know, that's mad. Yes, in today's video, so my mum bought a load of frames, and I'm talking a lot, like a lot of frames from this person off of Gumtree, I think, and it was like 6 or 7 boxes of frames. I'm not even kidding you, and some frames that weren't in boxes. And she got them all for like 15 quid. So I took a few. Some of them I'm going to replace the pictures. Others I'm going to keep because I like it. Basically what I'm going to do, so in the future, when I move out and everything, when I get my own place or whatever, I really like this theme. I'll put them here. So like the pastels and like stuff like that, which I never normally go for, considering my room is not that at all. My room is like teal and yellow and randomness and a little bit of pink, so it's all very random. But basically I'm doing one at the moment. So this was the picture inside the frame. Can you see it? Yeah, so it's dry martini, and I painted this white because it was like that weird yellowy shade, and that was just not cute. This is for my friend, I'm not doing this for me. And this was the frame, so this is the frame, it's green, and as you can tell I tried to paint over it, but because it's got like a varnish over it, it wouldn't really let me, because I was like, let me just paint over it. No, it said no. So I am going to use some sandpaper to take it off, and we'll see where we go from there. I've got some other ones which I will show after I've done this, but she wants this white, so I'm doing this white as well. So yeah, we move. This is going to take me a lot longer than I thought. Oops. I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so I've somewhat sandpapered it down. But obviously if I kept sandpapering it down to the point of there would be no colour and it'd just be like the wood colour. This would all be, because it's got like ridges and stuff, this would all be very smooth. So I didn't do that. I've just taken like the gloss part off, so we'll have to see if it works. If it doesn't, then I'll just sandpaper it more. But I'm going to start painting it now. Okay, so obviously I need to do a few more layers. It's going to take a little bit longer. I'm going to move on to the next frames. Yeah. Okay, so I have these frames. I have more over there and then a few others. So I've got this one. This one really needs to be done up. And then I have these, which I'm not going to keep these pictures, but I'm going to keep these ones because I just find them really cute. Look how cute it is. I think I'm going to make these all pastel colours, and I'm going to put a painting that I've done in these ones at some point. I think I might do this one because this one's the most grotty. So I might do this one. Sick. Oh, okay. So, what did I say I was going to do first? I said I was going to do that grotty one first, but I changed my mind. I'm going to do this one. I'm going to do, pardon me, I'm going to do this one pink. I'm going to take the picture out, like I did with the other one, and I'm going to paint this bit white, because that's what I've been doing with this one, because this was like what that colour was, but it just makes it look a bit like, ugh. So I'm going to paint it white, and then we're going to need these, okay? Right. What I've noticed as well with a lot of these, like, I think these are like really old, because the lady, she literally had so many, it was unreal. They're really old frames, so it's not like the new ones where you can just pop the back off. So a lot of them have this on the back of them, like that, or some just have like sellotape, and then they have stuff like this holding it in, which you normally get, not like that, but you normally get. So I'm having to like pry them out with some tweezers, which is going to be very interesting. But we can do this. Oh my word, this is going to take me forever. Be right back. Okay, flipping me. Oh, I finally got them off. This is what they were in there. It's very weird. But okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this frame a pastel pink. And whoa! I think it's gonna look well cute. Side note, I'm watching Sidemen. Sidemen. I think this one is almost dry, so I think I'm gonna come back to this after I do this. But we shall see. Okay. Okay, so I've done another layer of that, done 2 layers of this. Don't know, I need to do like a lot more layers I think of this, but I'm going to leave those like fully dry. This one's pretty much dry. I think this is as white as I'm going to be able to get it, but I think it looks alright actually. I'm going to do this one now. See this one used to be that colour. Look at the difference! So I'm going to do that now. Yeah! Okay, so I have painted, let me just gently pick this up. So I painted this, it needs to have a few more coats. I didn't realise, look, it's a postcard. This picture is a postcard, cute! Yeah, so I'm just going to leave this for today and then I'm going to resume tomorrow. So I will see you tomorrow. Good afternoon. I look very glam. By the way, I did not curl my hair. I just left it in a bun. And this is the result. So we move. Also, my hair has grown longer. This side's longer than that side because my sister cut my hair. She's not a hairdresser, but she did very well. But it is longer than this side, as you can tell. So I have to kind of do this the same length. Anyway, we are resuming from yesterday. And hopefully I can get this done. I was going to do some more frames, but I think I'm just going to stick with the same. Because I feel like we're going to be here all day. I'm sorry, I've done a lot today, so I'm very energised. I did 2 TikToks, which took me a very, very long time. Oh, that's a lovely spot, isn't it? We'll just cover her up. Yeah, follow me on TikTok. My name is Queen Annabella 100. Don't ask me why it's like that, it just is. Dirty camera. It wouldn't let me use my name. So that's sick. So I use my middle name. My middle name is Annabella. Okay. Also, whilst you're at it, follow me on Instagram at Maisie Annabella Matthews. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, so still wouldn't let me use just Maisie Matthews. No, I had to put my full name, but that's fine. Anyway, I did one more layer when I turned the camera off last night. I know, sorry, cheeky of me. I think I don't really know, but I'm gonna have to do a few more layers, especially on the white, because the green is driving me insane. So we shall see. But yeah, it's looking quite cute, I will not lie. I'm having a tad of... That sentence was not going to come out correct. I'm having a bit of a dilemma because, okay, so here, one side is doing alright. Like this is doing alright. But then here is getting all, can you see? It's getting all bubbly. I don't think I scraped off like here as well. And every time I go over it, it like comes off. So I think I need to take this off, which is going to be so annoying. And I'm going to have to basically sandpaper it down again. So I've got to wait for this to dry and then I'm going to take that off. Then I'm going to sandpaper it again. Same with that as well. So sick. Yay. But that one over there is doing rather well. And this picture is I've just done another coat of white around there. Yes! Oh, if this one doesn't work out, I've got this one, which I might paint because I've sandpapered. I don't know if you can see. Please focus. Yeah, I've sandpapered it. But I think I need to do a little bit more. But yeah, I might do this one blue. I think it'd be quite nice, quite nice. Yeah, and get rid of this kitty because I don't want the kit. Okay, I might do this and then see what happens with this because I just don't know anymore. It's kind of making me upset. Ah! Okay, I've made an absolute mess of myself. Yay! By sanding this down, because I'm kind of giving up on this one. So I think I'm going to have to say goodbye to you for now, because I'm going to have to sand it the way I've sanded this. Like, I've proper sanded it off. And I know there's probably an easier way of doing this, but I am short on supplies here, so bear with. But I'm going to do this a baby blue, well, pastel blue. Same thing. Yeah, hopefully this one will be easier and quicker. And I'm going to do another layer on this one. Excuse me, focus. Yeah, on this one. Yeah, I need to do around the sides, but I'll do that. I'll do that later. I'll do that later. I feel like I'm having a crisis. Because I sandpapered this one down, okay? And I'm trying to turn it blue, but like, it's just not taking the colour. And the colour's like... it's pigmented, so I don't understand. And this one, oh god, how can I pick it up? It's still wet. This one's being weird as well. Like, this one's coming out the best, but this one's being weird also. And it's also like coming off, but I think it's because I'm not using proper, like, I'm using proper paint. I'm just not using probably what I should be using to cover frames, but I don't know why it's reacting like this. It's kind of irritating, I won't lie. It's just a massive fail, to be honest. I think I'm just down to one frame because that's the only frame that's working. But oh well, I'll show you at the end anyway, because there's not much else to show, so. Terribly sorry, this is a very boring video, but this was not meant to come out like this. Oh well. Yeah, I'll just show it when I'm done because there's really not much for me to show. The drama, okay. Oh, I said I would come back when everything's done, but it's not. I tried to attempt to redo the green one again. And for some reason, it's bobbling still. I took off the bits that was like not taking because, so like I scraped off this and then sandpapered it again. This bit was fine, but the minute I started putting paint over it, it was completely dry, bobbled again. Why does everything I touch just turn to mulch? Like, but yeah, that was the only little update. But now I will resume, and hopefully my sanity. Wow, I can't even speak. My sanity is intact by the end of this video. I've got one frame. At least one is doing okay-ish. That one's also dragged me up the wall. But, okay. See you in the end when I have a mental breakdown, but it's fine. It's all good. You know what? Sometimes we just have to admit defeat. And I have. Because it's just not drying. Why are you not drying? I did you ages ago. That sounds wrong. I painted you ages ago. Look, not dry. Why? I just give up. This is it. This is all we're getting. So I'm just gonna end the video here. Hopefully, if I do another DIY, this wasn't really DIY, was it? I'm gonna call it DIY because I don't know what else to call it. I'm terribly sorry I put you through this, even if you even got this far. I'll keep you updated on my Instagram stories, so you know, see if it's all turned out very well. My life. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload from me, because if you do, that's just devastation for you. Okay. Have a good morning, afternoon, evening, or night, whatever you're doing. I hope you are thoroughly enjoying it. Because I'm not. I'm gonna go run BTS now. Okay? Bye! Mwah. Oh yes. Never give up, people. Never give up. One frame down. Whoop! Anyway, bye.